jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my God!
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and this is my very exciting announcement for the December giveaway, free giveaway, monthly giveaway that I do every single month. So if you watched, I think it was October, it was October, late October, I did a review from Juno & Co. from their PR on the Gold Luster palette, and I absolutely adored it. I will link it up in the cards and in the description box below. This is one of my go-to everyday, beautiful, gorgeous, most pigmented shadows I've ever seen for 10 bucks. And if you'd like, I have an affiliate code down below that will save you 10% if you want to purchase this yourself, which you should, because these shadows are freaking phenomenal. Let me just swatch a couple right now. This matte black is like the blackest black I've ever used. These shadows are just gorgeous, and I mean, I absolutely adore this palette. So they were kind enough, and I don't know if it was a mistake or not, but they let me keep it. They sent me another one, so I was like, definitely giveaway. So this will definitely be going in the giveaway, and you guys are gonna want to purchase this, trust me, or win this, trust me. Also from Juno & Co., I'm giving away one of their world famous velvet microfiber sponges. These and the Real Technique sponges are the only ones that I use because they work for me the best. These are $6 on their site, and they're very, 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 very famous. A lot of beauty gurus have like given impressions on this and really, really loved it. I love these these sponges. They are phenomenal. Love that. And just as a little added gift from Makeover Essentials, I'm going to add in the contour kit because I have this and it's one of my favorite contour kits I've ever used, ever. It is stunning and it's still in package. I bought this as a backup, but I wanted to give this to you guys because it's the season of giving and I really wanted to do a really nice giveaway for you guys. Now on to the rules. You must be an active subscriber to this channel to win any of my free giveaways. So make sure that your subscriptions are on public so I can indeed verify that you are subscribed. If you are under the age of 18, you must have your parent or guardian's permission to enter any of my giveaways. You must share this video on any social media platform. I don't care what it is, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Google+, don't care where it is as long as you share it. And tag me or send me a screenshot. Here are all my social medias, and my email is always linked down below. This is international. I am so excited to be saying that. This is an international one. I had to do international for December for Christmas because how could I not? I love my blazers over the seas, and I'm sorry that I don't get to do much with you guys, but this one is going to be international. Make sure to like this video and just comment down below #BlaizeMiss. Giveaway will start as soon as this video is posted, and it will end on December 30th. So good luck to everybody entering this giveaway. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a big ol' like. Hi. All right, I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.